Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you need to declutter your workspace or remove outdated files that are no longer relevant to your team's current projects. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the team where the folder exists. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on the main Teams interface where all your communication and collaboration tools are readily accessible. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Chat. This section is where you manage all your conversations and team interactions. From here, you'll be able to access the deeper organizational structure of your teams. Next, click on Teams and Channels. This option will display all the teams you're a member of, along with their respective channels. It's essentially the hub where all your collaborative workspaces are organized, making it easy to navigate between different projects and groups. Now comes the important part. Find the specific team that contains the folder you want to delete and click on the channel where that folder is stored. Teams are organized into channels for different topics or projects, so make sure you're selecting the right one. This ensures you're working in the correct location and won't accidentally delete something from a different channel. Once you're inside the channel, look toward the top of the screen and click on either Shared or Files. These tabs are where all the documents, folders, and files associated with that channel are stored. Clicking this will open up the file structure, giving you a clear view of everything that's been uploaded and organized within that channel. Now locate the folder you want to delete. Scroll through the list if needed until you find it. Once you've spotted it, look to the left side of the folder where you'll see a checkbox. Click on that checkbox to select the folder. This action highlights the folder and prepares it for deletion. You might notice that once selected, additional options become available at the top of the screen. With the folder selected, look at the top of the screen and click on Delete. This button is specifically designed to remove selected items from your Teams channel. It's a straightforward option that ensures you're taking the right action. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Teams' way of making sure you really want to proceed with the deletion, as this action can't be easily undone. Review the message to confirm you're deleting the correct folder, then click Delete to finalize the process. And that's it. The folder has been successfully removed from your Microsoft Teams channel, helping you maintain a cleaner and more organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.